everyone, welcome or welcome back to Treasure Lee Kit Club YouTube channel. We are here today with our November reveal. I can't believe it's November already. I feel like I was just saying it was January. But we are here with our November kit reveals, and as you know, Treasure Lee is a monthly kit club, and we also do a custom laser cut chipboard. And this month we are doing our video reveal to reveal our kits to you. And if you're seeing this, then that means there are kits available, but they are probably limited. So head over to our website at www.treasureleekits.com and check out what kits are available and what past kits are available. There may even be a sale going on. I'm not sure yet. We might start our Black Friday sales a little bit early this year. Also, while you're here, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave us a comment. And turn that notification bell to all. That way you'll be notified every time we upload a video. We do videos for everyone. We do private videos for our subscribers and anyone that buys our kit. So you don't want to be left out on those. With all that being said, let's go ahead and jump into our first kit. Kit is our scrapbook kit. It retails for $52, and like I said, it can be found on the website at www.treasureleekits.com. The link is below. So let's start with the embellishments. First off, we've got some fun little cute sparkly words. These are so cute. They're great for layouts or cards or whatever you want to do. Next up, you're going to have some of our custom cut chipboard. This is a clock. You're going to get 2 in your set. I dropped one of mine and I haven't found it yet, but you're going to get 2 clocks in your set. You're also going to get 2 of our mini frames. And you're going to get a little inside piece too. I like to give those to you as well so you can have a little extra piece. So you're going to get 2 of these little mini frames. And all of these can be found on our website. You're also going to get some flowers. These pretty yellow flowers, and you're going to have some white flowers as well. And then you're going to get the journal pack to coordinate with our paper, and we've got fun new paper from Blue Fern Studios, and you get 24 double-sided cards in here. So I believe that's 2 of each. Yes, that's 2 of each, and they are double-sided. So 2. There's your back side. These are fun to layer behind your behind your photos. You can use these as card toppers if you decide to make cards with this kit. And I like the back of them that they all have like some type of postcardy theme to it. The back, the front. There's your front. And like I said, these are new papers from Blue Fern Studios. If you're an OG, then you know about Blue Fern Studios. And we are probably the first ones to have, again, this collection as well, too. So these are limited, so you may want to head over and grab these and show them off to all your crafty friends that you've got the latest Blue Fern Studios. We had another one of their new collections maybe a month ago, I think in September. So there might be even some of that left as well too. You head on over and take a look, and this is your last set. So yes, you get 12 of these, 12 different designs, and you got 2 of each. So that's 24 total in your pack. Next up, you are going to have a pack of ephemera, and there's 30 pieces in here, and this is what they look like. And if you haven't figured out, this collection is called Maison, which means it's home. And a lot of the papers remind me of that old world, maybe European type wallpaper. So here's your first sheet, your back sheet. And their paper has always been a nice weight. Really pretty here. And it will hold mediums if you're into using mediums on your scrapbook pages. Or like I said, if you want to use these as cards. These papers are nice. They can be used for vintage photos. They're neither masculine or feminine, so you can use those for both. They've got a lot of fun textures on here. I like the homey theme to it, and so I'm kind of calling it like a Thanksgiving, even though there's really nothing Thanksgiving-y on it, but it's home, and Thanksgiving for me is all about home and those that make your home, you know, that make it comfortable. It's not a house, it's a home, and it's because of the people that you invite in and how comfortable you make it for them. And so that all reminds me of Thanksgiving and being thankful for having a home and being able to have people in your life that help you enjoy your home and enjoy making it a home for you. So these are the papers, and again, this is a scrapbook kit, and it retails for $52. And head on over to the website at www.treasurelikits.com and check out what's left and grab you some goodies. Next up is going to be our cards, tags, and more. Okay, this kit looks a little small, but it's mighty. This is our cards, tags, and more kit. It retails for $42. And again, it's on the website. This kit, this month, we decided for November, let's give everybody a head start on making their Christmas cards, because I know I could use all the time in the world, and I'm sure other people could take that extra time too. So let's get on with it. We've got some fun little glittery wreaths. We've got a couple of little bells. Got some glittery buttons. All the fun things you need for cards. Got some fun flowers. It's really pretty Christmassy red. You're also going to get a pack of bits and pieces. This is from Simple Stories Christmas line called All Wrapped Up. So you're going to have all these fun little bits and pieces. And then you're also going to have these sentiment pieces, which is perfect for making Christmas cards. If you're making Christmas cards, of course you want to have a sentiment on it. So you've got those. And then for paper, what you're getting is, hold on, let me open this up for you. What you're getting is 24 papers, and they're double-sided. And these are going to be great for Christmas cards. They'll also be great for tags if you want to make custom gift tags. These would be perfect for gift tags. And if you're looking for tags, we've got some in the store too over on the website at www.treasurelikits.com. And then you've got little mini tags right here too, so you could easily just cut these off, maybe back these with a little cardboard or something and make gift tags. Or you can buy the ones that we have in the store. More paper. And then you've got fun little tags here too, but not necessarily tags. You can use these for writing on your cards, or you could also use these too, without making gift card holders. And then you've got some more here. These would be great for cards. I really like the back side of that sheet. Another set that would be great for cards. And then you've just got a second set of paper. So you've got 12 sheets of paper, and you've got 2 of each. And like I said, this has been our cards, tags, and more kit. It retails for $42. And you can get it on the website, where? At www.treasurelikits.com. All right, next up, yeah, that was kind of corny. Next up, we have our mixed media kit. I'll be right back. Okay, so if you don't know about our mixed media kit, it is a standalone kit that you can get, and what we do is we change out the mediums to help you try different mediums and build up your medium stash. But we also include a little project in too, so that once you open it, you can go ahead and get started on it. And so for this month, we've got some fun stuff in here. Let's start with the mediums. We've got some Perfect Pearls in the shade Perfect Pearl. It's a very nice shimmery color for shimmery projects or Christmas projects. That's what I was thinking of. You've got some collage medium and matte, and this is for layering and gluing and sealing collage papers, rice papers, anything like that. You're also going to get a distressed mica stain in Holly Branch. It's a nice pretty Christmassy green. You're also going to get another distressed mica stain in peppermint stick. And then you're going to get 12 sheets of collage paper. This is the Tim Holtz collage paper, and you're going to get all of these collage papers, and that's what your collage medium is for. And make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. Like the video, comment, and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified when we do videos, because I'm sure there will be a video using the collage medium. You're also going to get these little handmade berry flowers, and then you're going to get some tags as well to make some fun collage Christmas tags. That's what you're going to do with this. Now, you can subscribe to one kit, all 3 kits, or a combination of kits. But the thing is, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're building your Christmas list and you're not sure what you want, but you want something, we do gift cards for the holidays as well too, and birthdays. So go ahead and start building your wish list, and go ahead and add some Tres Jolie kits or chipboard or both, and a gift card to your Christmas list. You can find all of that on the website at www.tresjoliekits.com. This has been our mixed media kit. It retails for $47 if I didn't tell you that already. And so with that, we are done with our kit reveals. We'll see you on another video. So thank you for stopping by. Bye.